Welcome to Schooltalk TV. In today's video, I'll be answering one important question. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, I am so excited. My name is Osla Hijoma. I'm a school business owner. I've been in school business for 10 years and it has been a fulfilling vocation for me. So if you are looking for an inspiration on how you can start and manage your school effectively, you are at the right place. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my regular uploads. So in today's video, I'll be answering one important question. Someone asked me if running a private school business really profitable. So I decided to make this video to answer the question. Well, I will not say that running a private school business is not profitable. Running a private school business is profitable if it is well planned out. Parents want only the best for their kids. So many would try by having their kids go to private schools because private schools have well-structured curriculum and lower student-to-teacher ratios as well compared to public schools overall. But making profit in a private school business takes time, patience, and hard work. So don't start a private school business if you don't have passion for it. Don't start a private school business because of vision of making profit. Do it because you want to make a difference. If you start a private school business because of vision of making profit, you will easily give up when the results you want are not easily gained. School business is not that kind of business that you will open and you start making profit immediately. It's not possible. To make a profitable school, first you have to find good location where you don't have competition in the area and can have option for people looking for good schooling for their kids. An accessible area that is safe for children, where parents can easily pick up and drop their kids. Another thing is to invest in talent. Hire only competent teachers. Your teachers are the most important factor in the quality of your school's education, and the quality of your school's education determines your school success. Implement an effective marketing strategy. Marketing is the heart of school success. Without marketing, your prospective parents may never be aware of your school offerings, and your school will not be given the opportunity to progress. Deliver exceptional customer service and embrace technology. You can as well consider offering value-added services without crossing ethical lines in schools. For instance, you can create alternative materials to teach things that kids do not learn in their classes. Summer classes can as well be offered. I hope these tips were helpful. If they were, don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you get notification each time I post. See you in my next video.